The following is a flood statement. Flood advisory in effect until 1:15 p.m. this afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following counties: Sussex. When? Until 1:15 p.m. in Western Union. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas.
Brooklyn, Manhattan, Northern Nassau,
Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly across portions of the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional amounts between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain are expected. Some locations that may experience flooding include Pentagon.
Additional details: widespread 1 to 1.5 inches of rainfall with locally 2 to 3 inches are possible,
http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage current vehicles. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for
Flash flood warning.
in central New York until 1 p.m. At 7 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned
Flash
area.
flood warning.
Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches
Flash flood warning.
in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monticello, Fallsburg, South Fallsburg, Woodsboro, Woodridge,
Flash flood warning.
Rockville, Huntsville, Conneaut, Hartwood, Woodmore, Highview, Louisville, Oakland, Phillipsport, Maplewood, Harris, Glenroe, and West Frostburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage vehicles. The current time is